back out again with the weekly uploads. This week we're in Crawley Gym. The weather is just terrible outside, so we're just in here shaking off the winter rust. Hope everyone's having a good new year. Obviously, yeah, Morgan said we're out in traversal today. Me, James and Max currently warming up, doing some flips. We've got the other guys over here warming up on the blocks, trying to get some stuff done. We're going to start getting into some challenges once we like warmed up and everything like that. Before we get into the video, just want to make sure you guys subscribe, like this video, leave a comment, just because it helps us and you're supporting us. So yeah, I guess we just get straight into the jumps. So I just said to Callan, if he sticks from here to here, first go I give him £1 English. Oh yeah, he's gonna walk away, YouTube. What an upset, what an upset. Oh no, it's the one bag. Two more. Yes! There you go, there you go. You might be afraid to tell to do. You good? He's up. He's up, YouTube. He's up. Bad. Just ripped that bar. Like he went to step up and just ripped it. That was. Oh, that wasn't nice at all. Dude, that looked disgusting. That looked disgusting. These guys have started just sending the cork movements now. Got them doing that like little kick over the shoulder and that. Yeah. Corks are an interesting one. I don't know. We've never really done something like this.
Yeah, corks are a weird one. Yeah. Not done a cork before, but I'm winning today, something new. It's winter. Inside training.
Agreed. Make sure you're hydrated for these sessions, boys and girls.
Felt better than the last one.
Oh, this is way bigger.
Pulling mats out of nowhere.
I think that's my last one. That's fair. Legs are like jelly.
It's fair enough, fair enough.
Yo! So I think we're just finishing up with this session now. Yeah, mate, big up traversal. Obviously, always coming through with the sessions.
You'll be able to produce a video despite the weather being peak. So,
yeah, mate. I don't know if you can hear it. Be real quiet, quick. It sounds like it's raining outside. It actually is. Like the forecast right now, I'll put it on the screen. It's actually horrendous.
Yeah.
Hope you enjoyed this little video. Make sure you subscribe, like and comment.
Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Wait for the next video.
Also, before we leave, we're going to do a giveaway. So 3 comments on our recent Instagram post on the Proven account. So go in the description and you'll win a free Contendant Beanie next week. We will announce the winner next week, Wednesday. I actually hope I'll win it.
It's me. I've already won it.
Sorry. But yeah, do that and you'll win a beanie, a Contendant Beanie.